everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Julianne and today we are going to be cleaning, organizing, and restocking the fridge and pantry. I've actually been putting this off for a while and I am so happy that I finally got it done. First, we are going to be starting out in the pantry, and as you guys can see, it's just a complete disaster in here. I'm going to start out by just taking everything out. I think that's going to be the easiest, and then we're going to get it organized. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here today. Make sure to say hi in the comments and let me know what you guys are up to. If you're new, welcome. I'm Julianne, and on my channel you will find tons of real messes with realistic cleaning motivation. I also like to do some decor inspiration, so if you enjoy that type of content, I would love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell notification so you never miss out on a video. So I did make a trip to Costco last week and I picked up some more healthier snacks. I know that they're not the healthiest, but I noticed that if I keep the little chip bags in my pantry, my kids will eat those instead of going for fruit or a healthier snack. So I just tried to pick up a few things that I know that they'll eat and they're just a little bit better for them.
Can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him?
Let me know in the comments if you guys have a job that you've been putting off. I know that I definitely put off organizing just because it's not my favorite thing to do. But once I'm finished, I'm always really happy with the result. And honestly, it never takes as long or as bad as I expect it to be.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like.
I wanted to show you guys that these tortilla chips and pretzels are two of my favorite snacks, and if you guys haven't tried them, I highly suggest giving them a try.
Know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Alright, so here is how the pantry came out, and y'all, I'm gonna work so hard to try to keep it looking this way. It's not perfect, but I think it looks really good, and that's the best thing about organizing. You know, you just organize it for yourself, your family. It doesn't have to be Pinterest perfect. As long as it works for you and your family, that is what organizing is all about. Now we're gonna move on to the refrigerator, and y'all, my refrigerator is just disgusting. First, we're gonna take everything out, and then we're gonna get it nice and clean.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
Let me know in the comments if you guys are liking today's music, or if you would like some more upbeat music in the next video.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Just take me back to you. Wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you. I just wanna go back to you. come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Right, so now that the fridge is all nice and cleaned out, oh my gosh, it feels so much better. It didn't take near as long as I expected. I am going to put the stuff back in that I already have on hand, but I am going to be making a trip to Sprouts, and I'll show you guys what I pick up and kind of what I typically keep on hand.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
Alright, so we are back from Sprouts. I'm quickly just going to show you guys what I picked up. I always keep a lot of fruit on hand. My kids literally will eat a pound of strawberries in one day, and typically I pick up a few veggies, but I also do a lot of frozen vegetables too, which I usually just pick up at like either Costco or Target, and we always have to get some fresh baked cookies. I also love these coconut rolls. They are so delicious, and I always get some yogurt and some grapes, of course, which I don't know why y'all, they're so expensive, but my kids still need them. We picked up some mangoes and some apples.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
Alright, so now I'm going to put everything away, and then I'm going to wash the fruit and cut up some of the fruit and get the refrigerator organized.
Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder. It's 2 a.m.
And if you guys have any questions about where I picked up any of the bins that I've organized with, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you, but most of the bins are going to be from Home Goods.
I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us.
I always love to keep cut and freshly washed fruit on hand. That way I can just grab it out of the refrigerator and it's just so much easier. And honestly, I know that some people don't like to cut the fruit because it can go bad faster, but my kids will eat it in a few days.
I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you. Oh, miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you.
Alright, so here is how the fridge came out, but that is pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like. It really helps out my channel, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more cleaning motivation. Thank you guys so much for being here today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Even make sense. Why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time.